Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will talk about Windsock. So, Windsock, as we know it today, is a conically shaped tube made of woven textile which is used to measure both wind direction and speed. They are mounted on a special installation. These usually consist of a metal mast made of aluminum or galvanized steel. The mast is placed on a metal foundation so that it can withstand high wind speeds. A metal basket, or so-called swivel frame, is placed on top of the mast, which can rotate 180 degrees horizontally. The windsock is attached to this, so that it can move freely depending on where the wind comes from. Here the wind is coming from and how hard the wind is blowing. The most commonly used location next to the runway or helipad at an airport. This allows pilots to quickly estimate the wind direction and speed before takeoff. But they're also used in factories or industrial areas where hazardous gases or substances can be released. In the event of an emergency, attendees can quickly estimate which way the hazardous substances are being blown in order to determine the best possible escape route. The red and white striped is the most famous version that you'll often see alongside of the road. Yet many different colors are used internationally, such as orange, striped, green, blue and completely orange. In general, the colors are chosen in such a way that the entire installation is clearly visible in contrast with the background. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.